Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to set up auto reply on Instagram. So go to your Instagram application. Once in there, go to your profile and tap on your professional dashboard. Make sure you have a professional account and tap on the menu icon or go to the settings and privacy. And then go to messaging as and store replies in the how others can interact you section. And in here, tap on message controls. So you might see it in here. So allow access to the messages. And then just select your AI tool or open your Meta Business Suite app and navigate to the settings and automations and follow the steps to customize and save your auto reply. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll reach you out. Hope to see you in the next one.